everyone. This is Vidharrthini of grade 8 studying in Velammal campus, Erode. And today, guess what? Yes, we are going to discuss about the Global Family Day. Global Family Day is one day of peace and sharing, which is celebrated every January 1 in India as a global day of peace and sharing. Global Family Day grew out of the India Millennium Celebration, one day in peace. So, now we know what is Global Family Day, and let us look at the history of this Global Family Day. Sometimes around 1970, 4 children from Public School 84 in Manhattan, after school one day, talked about the year 2000. Now we are in 2020, but at 1970, they are dreaming about 2000. Like how now we are dreaming about 2030 or 3000. Yes, when all people in the world would surely come together in peace and friendship to celebrate and grow closer as a result of shared celebration. 25 years later, that conversation inspired a visionary novel, Tree Island, written by the author and former soap writer Linda Grover, the mother of the 3 of the children. The book in turn motivated Grover to organize a 1998 meeting in Forigen, Cascade Mountain to 50 million groups from around the world to all dedicate to making the turn of the millennium a turning point of humanity. For the Tree Island Millennium Gathering knew the idea of annual event of the whole human family marked by a sharing of Millennium Meal. The Millennium Meal concept was later endorsed by the White House and the representatives of 19 faiths meeting in the Holy Land. Grover, a former congressional aide, decided to make the establishment of a holiday belonging to all the world's people her life's work. So, this is how the Global Family Day came into existence. As in India, all the family are there, no matter whether it's nuclear family or joint family. However, we live as a family and we put our hands together to live together, support together and share our love. So let this spread all over the world and let us celebrate this Global Family Day with a very happiness with our family. Thank you.